Hello, class. My name is Vanessa. I live in California in Los Angeles County. An interesting fact about me is that I've been a paralegal and legal case manager for about 2 years now. I work at a debt collection law firm. I'm very passionate about law. My plan is to attend law school after I finish this Brandman program. I'm 20 years old and this is my last year of college. Let's see. One thing that I hope to gain from this class is kind of more knowledge in background on the Constitution. I think it's really just cool, honestly, how a document that is well over 250 years old is still extremely relevant and alive today. I think it talked about that in the course syllabus. I think especially with today's social and political climate, and in 2020, a lot of things have happened, and I feel that it's really important to kind of understand how it's all cultivated and kind of just managed, I guess, through the Constitution. I think that's awesome. I hope to gain a lot more knowledge in understanding the Constitution and how it still organizes and dictates our society today. And I look forward to meeting all of you. Thank you for listening.